Today, we are going to jump with a parachute, construct racetracks, and wash cars in a new car wash. Here are the best toy ideas for boys that will definitely keep you entertained. For the first life hack, you will need some tubes from large Pringles containers. Cut the tube in half. Make cuts at an angle. Bend it, then secure it with hot glue. Connect the pieces. Fasten another half of the tube to the top with hot glue. Attach a few more smooth parts and cover the design with spray paint. Now you need coffee sticks. Make a supporting structure by gluing the sticks together. Hot glue a slide to it. An extreme slide is good to go. Thrill seekers only. And now, print out 2 pictures of a dinosaur. Cut them out. You will also need paper cups. Apply markings on the bottoms and the walls of the cups. Cut along the lines. Make a support structure from sticks and fasten a piece of cardboard to it. Decorate with smiling dino faces. Use a hot glue gun to fasten a piece of the cup to the support. Secure it with a stick. Glue the parts together and arrange them in a spiral. Strengthen the construction with wooden supports. Now you've got a cool racetrack made out of cups. The car leaves the dinosaur's mouth and zooms along the spiral track. A must-have toy for a little racer. Next, you need a black trash bag. Cut it. Fold it into a triangle. Cut the edge. Cut off the sharp tip. The result should be a donut-like shape. Fasten strings in a circle. Secure them with a knot. Cut off the excess. Take the car and a rubber band. Attach the car to the parachute. The launch will begin from the open window in 3, 2, 1. Toss the parachute with the car into the air and watch it slowly and smoothly descend to the ground. What a soft landing! For this life hack, take an empty spray bottle and a plastic hose. Insert the sprayer into the hose. Stick the second end of the hose into the bottle. Secure it with hot glue. Attach plastic hooks to an open soap dish. Glue a small container. Next, fasten the bottle. Attach the hose to the hooks. A cool car wash is ready. Fasten a cardboard driveway. Fill the container with dishwashing detergent. Put a makeup sponge in it and pour water into the bottle. Fasten a toy fan to a piece of foam rubber. The car enters the car wash. Soap it up with detergent. Then, rinse it with water from the spray bottle. The last station is the auto dryer. Awesome! Next, you need a large open box and paper cups. Put glue on the bottom of a cup. Fasten it to the box. Glue another cup next to it. Fill the box with rows of cups. Cut out a pentagon from bright cardboard. Fasten it to the box with hot glue. Attach a label that says Garage. A garage made out of cups will be a cozy resting place for your toy cars. All the cars are visible and each one has its own parking spot. Very useful! For the next life hack, you will need 2 disposable cups. Cut holes like this. Cover one of the cups with black film. Fasten pieces of red, yellow, and green paper on the square windows. Hot glue the piece to a cardboard circle. For convenience, insert a push pin. Insert a flashlight in the cup with round holes. Place one cup inside the other. Turn the button and the colored squares appear from the windows one by one. Install a traffic light at the crossroad. Turn on the flashlight and adjust the traffic flow. Easy and very interesting. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the bolts on the bottom of the car. Remove the chassis. You need 2 small flashlights. Remove the guide lens and disassemble the body of the flashlight. Place the parts with LEDs under the car headlights. Secure it with hot glue. Put the chassis back on. The batteries get pressed down and the car's headlights light up. Start the engine and turn on the high beams. A night racer is ready! For this life hack, you need a long, narrow box. Cut it. Cover the inside with shiny self-adhesive film. Hot glue the edges of the box together. Make a U-shaped incision. Mark where you're going to cut. Poke through the cardboard following the marks. You will need a battery-powered LED strip. Insert the lights into the holes. Decorate the box with scrap paper. Install a cardboard highway on top. Press the switch, and the lights inside the tunnel turn on. Set up your tunnel at an angle and let your car loose inside. It turned out great! Next, prepare a piece of cardboard and print road signs on paper. Glue the signs to the cardboard. Cut them out. Shorten a coffee stick and hot glue the stick to the sign. Glue the stick on a wooden stand. Road signs for safe driving are good to go. Now you need wide masking tape and some gray paint. Lay out the route, sticking the tape to the floor. Make asphalt out of gray paint along the tape. Apply road markings with white gouache. Install road signs and traffic lights. The result is a whole town with attractive traffic flow. Simple and really interesting. Next, draw 3 strips on a piece of cardboard. Get some wide, colorful tape. Attach multicolored stripes. Fasten cardboard railings with hot glue. Hot glue a photo frame to the second piece of cardboard. Fasten the colored racetrack at an angle. A hill for high-speed racing is ready. What makes it even better is that multiple cars can race along it at once. What do you think? Whose supercar will be the first to reach the finish line? Let's tell you how to tune up old cars without spending too much. First, degrease the surface of the car with nail polish remover. Pour a small amount of nail polish onto foil. Choose the shade to match the color of the car body. Paint over the chips and the rust using a brush. Apply the polish very carefully and don't touch the windows. A green car can be decorated with a bright yellow pattern. All your cars are the same, but mine is a superstar. Now you know how to make a cool racetrack from scratch, how to ride through a night tunnel, and how to escape from the mouth of a dinosaur. Hurry to write in the comments which of these life hacks you liked the most. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss our new life hacks for toys.